underwater ROVs, tracking position is a major challenge. GPS and many other sensors relied upon for understanding the environment around a vehicle do not work underwater. And water clarity is often murky or dark. And yet inspection teams are asked to identify where they are going and where they found defects or targets in their survey. For Deep Trekker, it's our mission to answer these questions and make surveys as easy as possible. We've taken the next step by innovating position tracking in our ROV's intelligence in a way that no mini ROV has done before. Introducing Dead Reckoning. Enabled by Deep Trekker's bridge technology, enabled through sensor fusion with IMUs and DVL inputs, users can now get their ROV in the water and go. No more clunky USBL-setup or wandering lost for shorter missions. Dead Reckoning allows users to track their position in GPS-denied environments, such as water tank storage evaluations, port infrastructure surveys, search and recovery missions, salvage operations, and more can now unlock the power of knowing where they're going without complex setups or without spending hundreds of thousands on sensors and software. Deep Trekker brings the whole experience to you in one place on one platform.